Hey, welcome back, Intermediate Algebra. So here is your first of two videos for today. This one is called Multiply Difference of Squares. You can see I've already got this first one all set up. It is the exact same thing. We are still doing these generic rectangles. And if you multiply them through, it's quite simple. X times x is x squared. X times negative 3x is negative 3x, and then positive 3x and negative 9. Now, what do you notice that this negative 3x and this positive 3x will do to each other? They're going to cancel each other out. So our simple answer is simply x squared minus 9. I want you to notice when you have this term and this term are the same, and this term and this term are the same, with the only exception being one's a subtraction sign and one's a plus sign, the middle term gets eliminated. Okay, and then it's just simply x times x is x squared, and 3 times 3 is 9, and you put the positive times the negative is a negative. Hey, if that's too confusing, keep using generic rectangles. Okay, let's do another one here. We've got this here. So some of you can go, oh, x times x will be x squared. 8 times 8 is 64, and a positive times a negative is a negative. So it's x squared minus 64. If that didn't make sense, then simply follow your generic rectangle where you plot on these. X times x is x squared. These two make negative 8x. These two make positive 8x. Obviously, those two will cancel each other. And negative 8 times 8 is negative 64 for your x squared minus 64. Whichever way works for you is fine by me. Have a good one, and I'll see you back on my next video. Bye-bye.